So I think my dad called these like magic eggs, or because we did not have a glass top, but he used to tell me that while the lid was on, the eggs would flip. And I believed him. Hey everybody, it's Amanda. I am making a breakfast. It's a breakfast dish, but you could probably have it for dinner too if you'd like. It's Julia Turshen's olive oil fried eggs with yogurt and lemon, and I am using a coconut yogurt, and I'm putting in a squeeze of lemon and a bunch of salt and pepper. And I'm actually gonna start heating this recipe comes together, as you will see, in about 2 seconds, which is great because I'm between meetings. And I'm gonna heat this pan, whoops. First I'm gonna take the breadcrumb out of it. I'm gonna put it over just like medium low while I'm doing this, but just to get it going. And we're basically making a yogurt sauce, and then we're gonna fry eggs, put them on top, and then and then put any kind of fresh herbs you like. And I'm actually using cilantro, which I think will be really nice with the coconut yogurt. So I'm just going to kind of make a little bed of yogurt. This recipe serves one, so obviously if you are not eating alone, you can double it, triple it, quadruple it. We have our bed of coconut yogurt, and then we have our pan, which is heating, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So someone in the comments recently said that this is my shtick, and I was like, what? Like, why would I'm not an actor. I'm just literally someone who does run a food and home company, and yes, I actually did go to cooking school, and I did work in restaurants, which I know it might not look like it because I don't have the best technique, but my whole point is that, like, I love cooking. I've been cooking for my whole life, but I'm like a normal person who has a job and kids, and I'm following recipes that I haven't made before, so I'm just cooking them along with you and making mistakes and not always remembering all the ingredients and kind of just bumbling along. So this is me, not a shtick. Sorry if I'm disappointing you. I've got my oil heating. I'm supposed to use a nonstick skillet, but I'm using actually just a stainless steel one. If you've got nonstick, go for it. So here we go. I'm at like medium high. So Julia does eggs like my dad did when I was little, which is just, oops, sorry, see? Okay, don't do that. All right, so one of them is gonna be nice and one of them's not, and I'm doing salt and pepper, and then you do a little sprinkle of water, just a few drops, and then cover the pan. I think these eggs are looking done, so I'm turning off the heat. Woo, okay, whoa, can you see that? Whoa, all right. Beautiful, right? Okay, oh yeah, and see, if you heat your pan properly, in a steel pan, the eggs will come up. In fact, they'll come up perfectly. So I'm going to just lay them on top of, I'm gonna like a little bit of skew on the yogurt so that I can use it for dipping. You're supposed to actually take the rest of the olive oil from the pan and spoon it. I'm gonna sprinkle it on top of the eggs. Oh, that's cool, because it kind of sizzles on top of the eggs. And then I am just gonna sprinkle with a little bit of cilantro. I am gonna have a delicious breakfast. All right, I'm gonna taste this in a second, but first I'm gonna take a picture. Alrighty, it is time to eat. So, perfectly cooked egg. As you can see, it's like nice and crisp on the bottom and brown. I'm getting a little bit of yogurt. I'm getting a little bit of the cilantro and the perfectly cooked egg. Julia Turshen, thank you. This is so good. Totally adding this to my rotation. I hope you'll give it a try too, and I will see you soon. Bye. You're not supposed to use ceramic pans, nonstick pans, over higher heats. And because I want the eggs to get brown on the bottom, I don't want to use that kind of pan because it actually destroys the pan.